Hello guys, in this course I am going to teach you about HTML. So first of all, what HTML is? HTML is the standard markup language for creating websites and web pages. So we'll first start by creating a folder. Let me name it tutorial. Let me open it, and here we'll add all of our files and all those things which we are going to use for creating our website. And the code editor which we are going to use is Visual Studio Code. You can also use some other code editors such as Sublime Text, Atom, or you can even use Notepad, but for this tutorial I'll be using Visual Studio Code, and it has several other advantages as compared to Notepad. So first of all, let's get started with it. So to install it, you will have to open up your web browser and here search for VS Code download. And here on the first link, which is from code.visualstudio.com, open it up and select your platform which you wish to use. If you are on Windows, you can get it from here. On Linux, you can get the .deb file or .rpm file, or on Mac OS, you can go to this link. For instance, I am in Linux, so I'll continue with this one. I have already installed it, so let me open it up and then I'll show it to you. You will also need a web browser where you can test your HTML sites. Here I am going to use Google Chrome. When you will first open up Visual Studio Code, you will see such a page, which is the welcome page of Visual Studio Code. So let me start by adding my folder to the Explorer. Here is the Explorer window. Here you can add your folders. For instance, I am going to add that tutorial folder which I have created. Select it and it will open it for you. Now here I am going to create a file. I am going to name it index.html, and the reason why I am giving the word index to it is that it justifies that the first or the home page of your website is named by index. HTML recognizes index.html as your home page. That is why I am giving it the name as index, and .html is the default file type for an HTML file. So hit enter and the file is now created. Now, as I have told you that Visual Studio Code has several other advantages as compared to a basic Notepad or text editor, is that you can use several commands or several key bindings or shortcuts to create your code, such as if I type in this exclamation mark, it shows me Emmet abbreviation. What Emmet abbreviation does is that it creates the boilerplate code for your HTML file. After typing this exclamation mark, I see this Emmet abbreviation. I hit enter and see this is the default boilerplate code. See this doc type HTML. What this does is that it tells your browser that this type of file is an HTML file. Okay, and then after that you see this HTML lang equals to and then en. This en stands for English, that the HTML page is in English language. After that we have this head tag. These all are tags. Okay, and these tags are, this is an opening tag and this is a closing tag. Okay, a closing tag is given by this /. You add a / to your opening tag and it becomes a closing tag. Okay, now after this head, this is the place where the heading and the title of your web page comes. For instance, here it is given as document. As you have created this file, let me save it with Ctrl S first, and if I open up this file in my browser, first of all let me go to the location of this file. Here is the file index.html. Let me open it up in Chrome and you can see this. This is the location to the file and this is the title of the file, document, as you have seen here. If I change this document to my name, let me give it my name, save it and go again to the browser, refresh or reload the tab, and you can see here I have my name. Okay, so this is how the title works and this is enclosed in the head tag. Okay, after that we have this body tag, and what all things apart from the heading we get here is in the body. We get all of our written text, we get all the images that we insert in it. We also can add CSS and other things such as JavaScript as well, but it's not a part of this video. But what this is, like, you can add anything over here, such as, let me add some text, which is this. This is also a dummy text. If I save it, go into the browser, reload that page, you can see this text over here. This was a basic intro that I have given. Also, you see these two tags, doc type HTML and this closing HTML. So this is an HTML file, and this head tag, this is an HTML tag, this is the head tag, this is the closing head tag, this is the opening tag of body, this is the closing tag of body, and this is the closing tag of our HTML document. Our complete web page or our complete HTML document is enclosed between these two tags, the closing HTML tag and the opening HTML tag. Okay, these two tags contain all the other tags. So this is our basic structure of HTML. The other things are going to be discussed in the next video. Thank you.